In this video, we will review a problem about resale value. The resale value V in thousands of dollars of a boat is a function of the number of years T since the start of 2011, and the formula is V equal to 14.5 minus 1.1 T. First of all, we have to calculate V of 3. It means that we need to take 3 and substitute into the formula for T. 14.5 minus 1.1 and put 3 inside of parentheses. Let's calculate. It will be $11.2 thousand. Explain in practical terms what your answer means. V of 3 is, and we know that it's resale value, so the resale value now we need to say something about 3. The resale value of the boat after 3 years since 2011, or you can say in 2014. In what year will the resale value be $10.1 thousand? So we have the formula V is equal to 14.5 minus 1.1 T. We need to substitute 10.1 into this formula, but we have to figure out, is this our T or this number is our V? Okay, what is V? It's a resale value and it's in dollars. What is T? T is time in years. So we look over here, $10.1 thousand. So it's definitely not time. It's our value, so we have to substitute this number for V. We have 10.1 equal to 14.5 minus 1.1 T. It's a simple linear equation, and we need to solve this equation for T. First of all, we will subtract 14.5 from both sides, and it will be negative 4.4 equal to negative 1.1 T. It's multiplication here, and in order to have T by itself, you have to divide by negative 1.1. So this will cancel out, and whatever you do to one side, you have to do the same to the other side. So T is equal to 4 years. And then when they ask you in what year, 4 years since 2011 is 2015. So you will say in 2015, this is your final answer. Now we solve the original formula for T, and the original formula was V equal to 14.5 minus 1.1 t. Solve for t means to have t by itself on one side. First of all, we will subtract 14.5 from both sides. So on this side it will cancel out. V and 14.5 are not like terms. We can combine them together. So we will have V minus 14.5. And on the right we will have negative 1.1 t. It's multiplication between them. So we have to divide by negative 1.1. Divide by negative 1.1. So t will be equal to V minus 14.5 over negative 1.1. This is a final answer. Some people like to simplify this answer. And to simplify, I will show you on this side how you can simplify. And simplify because very often mathematicians do not like negative sign on the bottom of the fraction. So what we will do, we will put negative sign in front of the denominator, and we will switch signs for all the terms. We will positive, so it will be negative. 14.5 was negative, so it will be positive. And divide by negative 1.1. Negative and negative will cancel out. So it will be negative V plus 14.5 over positive 1.1. Or you can rewrite this way. 14.5 minus V over 1.1. Some people like to simplify further and split the fraction. So it will be 14.5 over 1.1 minus V over 1.1. So this is a good answer that you can enter into the software. This is a good answer. And this is a good answer. WebAssign will accept all three answers. When you divide, it will be an infinite decimal number, so don't do it. Keep the fractions. In what year will the resale value be $7,900? And you need to use the formula that we find out here. So t is equal to V minus 14.5 over negative 1.1. You can use any of these three formulas. It will be good. I will use the first one. So 7.9, it's my V. So I have to substitute this number for V. Let's do it. 7.9 minus 14.5 over negative 1.1. 7.9 minus 14, let me calculate. It will be negative 6.6 over negative 1.1. And my answer is 6 years. Since 2011. And they said in what year, so you have to say in 2011 plus 6, it will be 2017. And this will be your final answer.